It's tool time at Amsterdam Garden Centre, and today we're going to talk about pruning. So we're going to start with hand pruners or secateurs. For fine work, you can just use pruning scissors. You can see that works really well. For 1/4 inch or larger, I'm using some Felco 4s. These are Swiss made, everything's replaceable, great quality, and as you can see, they cut really well. And they also come in an ergonomic model, Felco 7s with revolving handle, so that it's really easy on the wrist. For 1/2 inch or larger diameter, you want loppers, and we have got some good quality Coronas, and as you can see, they cut beautifully. And if you have larger diameter, you can even go to a larger pair, and they will go right through. For pruning saws, you really don't want to mess around. So we've got a nice Corona razor blade here, and look at this. You get a beautifully clean cut with very little effort. So topiary work, there are different types of shears. So I've got a nice fine set here that works great for topiary. They're almost like scissors for spirals. And then when you're doing heavier work, like on English laurel, you want one with a notch, but you can see they don't mess around.